Gaano ba tayo kahanda pag tinamaan tayo ng critical illness? Isang malalim na tanong sa bawat isa kung gaano ba tayo kahanda or ready when it comes. Now, bago ang lahat, bago natin pag-usapan or sagutin yan, alam ko mag-a-agree kayo lahat sa akin. Whatever may the case may be, kung ano man yung meron tayo ngayon, ito yung bunga ng dugo at pawis natin. Ito yung fruits of all our labors. Now, kahit sinong tao naman yan, ayaw nating magbago yan for the worse. Of course, kung magbabago man yan, it would be for the better. Ngayon, pag tinamaan ka ng critical illness, how prepared are you? Are you financially capable? Or even though you're financially capable, do we really need to put ourselves